So this is concept 3. In this video, we are going to discuss how to determine the hybridization of carbon in carbon compounds. In the previous video, we discussed that three possible hybridizations of carbon. One is sp, sp2 and sp3. And now how to find the hybridization of carbon in carbon compounds. So whenever carbon has four single bonds, all single bonds are sigma bonds. When carbon has four single bonds, that is said to be sp3 hybridized, and that will have four sp3 hybrid orbitals. Carbon with three sigma bonds and one pi bond. Carbon shows tetravalence. If it has three sigma bonds and one pi bond, then it is said to be sp2 hybridized, and that will have three sp2 hybrid orbitals and one p orbital, pure orbital, unhybrid orbital. Similarly, whenever carbon has two sigma bonds and two pi bonds, two sigma bonds and two pi bonds, that carbon is said to be sp hybridized. So four sigma bonds sp3 hybridized, three sigma bonds and one pi bond sp2 hybridized, two sigma bonds and two pi bonds, that is sp hybridized. And the situation will be like this is the carbon with the four sigma bonds, sp3 hybrid carbon. It has four sp3 hybrid orbitals and three sigma bonds and one pi bond. This carbon is sp2 hybridized, and if you see the situation of this carbon, it has two sigma bonds and two pi bonds. This is said to be sp hybridized. All single bonds are sigma bonds. In a double bond, one is sigma bond, one is pi bond. In triple bond, one is sigma bond, remaining two are pi bonds. And if you see this particular example, how to identify hybridization of various carbons in this. So here this is sp3, this is sp3, this is sp2, this is sp2, this is sp3, this is sp, this is sp. You just apply the skill what you learnt before. And similarly here, this is sp3, this is sp2, sp2 and sp2, sp3, sp, sp, sp3 and sp3. Whether it is a open chain compound or cyclic compound immaterial, that rule always works. sp3 carbon, sp3 carbon, and these two carbons are sp2 carbons. This is sp2, this is sp, this is sp, and this is sp2. This is sp2 and this is sp. So this is about determination of hybridization of carbon in carbon compounds. Calculation of number of hybrid orbitals. Calculation of number of hybrid orbitals, it's a very simple one. And if you want to find number of sp3 hybrid orbitals, you just see how many sp3 carbons are present. You multiply that number with 4, because sp3 means it is not a single orbital. sp3 means always these are 4 orbitals. You just find a number of sp3 carbons, that number is multiplied by 4. Number of sp2 hybrid orbitals, first you find a number of sp2 carbons and multiply that number with 3, because sp2 means 3 hybrid orbitals. Every sp2 carbon contains 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Similarly, number of sp hybrid orbitals, number of sp hybrid orbitals, that is equal to number of sp carbons into 2, because every sp carbon contains 2 sp hybrid orbitals. So this is about determination of hybridization and calculation of number of hybrid orbitals.